Good evening, Facebook friends. Good evening to everyone that's out there. Good evening to all of my YouTube buddies. Hey, Mary. What I want to do today is just talk about the new postcard program that I'm in. And I know there's a lot of questions as far as why, how can it benefit you, what it's all about. And what I want people to know is that, I've been doing postcard in direct mail for years now, like since 2016, earning a full-time income, showing others how to do the same. And this video is not about me. This video is about you. Okay? Hey, Tanya. Hey, Shonda. So what I want to talk about is why I decided to join this opportunity and the reasons why I think it's the best thing out there as far as postcard programs. I've never seen anything like it, and it's going to change a lot of lives. And I stick behind that because I've been in a ton of programs. And over the last few years, I'm very particular about what I join, what I put my name on, and just really taking my time to do my due diligence, because when I'm with a company, I'm with them for a while. So for those that don't know, I've been in Impact Mailing Club since May. I'm still in Impact Mailing Club. That's a flyer program. So what I did was add another stream of income, which is this postcard program. And the reason why is because it has so many things going on with it that it's hard to fail with this program. And that's what we're going to talk about tonight. So with this program, there's levels for everyone, all the way starting at 100, all the way up to 4,000. So it's a low ticket, mid ticket, and a high ticket with this opportunity. The other thing I love about it is that when you join, you're going to get stamps. So there's a lot of programs where you don't get stamps because stamps are so expensive. And this is the first that actually give you stamps along with your membership. Not only that, you're going to get drop cards to promote the opportunity. You're going to get closers to close the deal for you, so you don't have to worry about selling the opportunity, talking to people, trying to convince them, learning about the opportunity. And I love that too about this opportunity. You don't have to close it. You have closers to do the selling and telling for you. The other thing that you're going to get is you're going to be able to order your postcards, which are extremely affordable, and they are gloss hardstock postcards. They're beautiful. On the postcards is going to have the information about the opportunity and a phone number to call. When they call that phone number, they will give your ID number so that when the person signs up, they'll be signing up with you directly, paying you directly, and you can do payments by mail or you can do electronic payments, and I love that as well. Hey, Tina. Hey, Steven. Hey, Cheryl. So these are the things that I love about it. Not only that, the one thing that I'm really big on is webinars. The reason why is webinars is where people get their questions answered. They get to see that there's a community of people that are supporting them through their direct mail journey. And that's really important. When you can come and be amongst people who are looking to grow their business, they have the same goals, the same mindset as you. Not only that, you're interacting with six-figure earners. That makes this business, it really takes it to the next level, okay? And there's so many opportunities out there that have a lot of potential, but because they don't have webinars, there's not a lot of interaction with the owners, or not only that, just not a lot of support. That is the one thing that becomes a turnoff for most people, because a lot of people that get involved with these opportunities, they have already joined a ton of opportunities where they've made little to no money, or they had a lack of support. Okay. And let me tell you, I've been there, done that. I've been there. I'm one of those people. Back in 2015, guys, that was me. So when you have support, you have people that you can connect with, like-minded people, you have closers that does the selling and telling for you, it just makes it so much better. And I've looked at other opportunities out there that have closers, but I was not confident with those programs because I didn't know the owner, and the owners were not transparent. And I don't like to get involved with opportunities that say they have closers or they have this and they have that, and the owner is hiding behind the scene. Okay, there's no transparency. I've been there, I've done that, and I won't do it again. So with this opportunity, I know the owner, I've met the closers, I'm one of the closers. Okay, so I stand behind it because I know that I'm going to go out and do my due diligence to make sure that my team has as much success as I've had or even more. And I know that when you have people closing the sales for you where they're just calling a number and they're getting the information that they need, the sales is going to go up. Okay, so these are the reasons why I've decided to join this opportunity. Hey, Michael. Hey, Mr. Hawkins. And I'm just really excited about what's to come. How much there is as far as value. Okay, tons of training, offline and online training, tons of support. If you decide you want to go and add to what the closers are already doing, you can do so. And on top of that, the giveaway is just awesome, right? We're in pre-launch right now until Tuesday. And during pre-launch, the bonuses are tremendous. So what I want people to do is basically there's a phone number that's going to be in the comment section of this video. All you need to do is call the number. When you call the number, you're going to get the information about the opportunity. You're going to see the help. You're going to see the value. You're going to feel the loyalty that comes through on the other end. And that's really all you need to be successful. Back in 2015, I didn't have this. There was no such thing. For those that don't know, I was in a ton of rev shares and gifting programs, and I made hardly anything. I spent way more money than what I made. And if there was a program out like this postcard program back then, I would have done very well, because when you have a program where there's support, the people care, there's value, and things like that, it's just really hard to not do well unless you decide to do nothing. But with this opportunity, 90% of the work is done for you. 90%. So all you have to do is plug in, get started. I'm already at thousands of dollars just in the last 3 days. Thousands of dollars. And it's going to just keep going up. It's going to just keep increasing. Because this is a no-fail zone when it comes to direct mail. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys for people that want to know what's involved, how it works. There is a live webinar. Well, there's a webinar. We had a live webinar. It was on Tuesday. Okay, and that's on my YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and include that in the comment section. We had over 250 people attend the webinar. It was amazing. Amazing. And I'm just excited for what's to come. Hey, Dion. Hey, Maria. Hey, Linda. Hey, Valencia. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Ann. So let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on hashtag replay for me. But I just wanted to leave you guys with that information and let you know, yes, I have added this to my portfolio. I have multiple streams of income. I currently have about 5 income streams. That's what allowed me to earn a full-time income and support all of my traveling habits. I love to travel. But I just wanted to bring you guys this information and let you know what's going on, what's to come, what's here now. Again, the phone number will be in the comment section below. You want to make the phone call just to get more information and get started. Hey, Shamika. Valencia from Detroit. Hey, Hillary from Connecticut. Mary. Hey, Mary from Oklahoma. How you doing? So, yeah, I'm excited about this, guys. I will be promoting this for the remainder of the year. This is going to be one of my babies. And for those that don't know, I also came out with a My Direct Mail solution, which is a training platform for everyone who's in direct mail. So I have that going on. That's also going to be on the back end of this postcard program, so you can get plugged in, get more customized materials for your business, and learn how to do this the right way. 2020 is your year. If you want it, you can have it. If you want the success, you want the financial freedom, you want to leave your 9 to 5, you want to have more money for your children, you want to be able to take vacations and go to the movies and go to restaurants and do those things that we all love to do, you can do it this year. All you have to do is step out of your comfort zone, move on faith, okay? There's nothing like it. If you have faith and you're willing to put in the work, okay, you will see results. And that's all it boils down to. Knowing that what you're going to do, what you're doing and what you're into works because other people are having success, right? Then applying what you learn on a consistent basis is all it takes, okay? You cannot come into a program and do absolutely nothing and think that you're going to have success. It's not going to happen. It doesn't work that way. Well, I tell people all the time, if it was that easy, we would not have people working at Burger King, okay? So you just have to have the mindset to know that you put in a little bit of work. 10%, 90% is done for you. 10% of effort, and you'll start to see results, and they'll become more consistent the more you're involved in your business, okay? So that's what I did. I stopped trying to take the easy way out. I stopped trying to get into the gifting programs and the rev shares where you just press a button and you're supposed to make money. It doesn't work that way, okay? But when you have support, you have closers, you have owners who are transparent, you will start to see results. You will start to see it more consistent. You will start to brand yourself and build a business, a legitimate business. Okay, that's what I did. Hey, Lamone. Hey, Travis. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Cheryl. So I just want to leave you guys with that information. And I'll be back sometime this week. I hope everyone is enjoying their week. Happy hump day. Well, it's almost over now. But I'll be back with you guys during the weekend. Stay inspired. Stay positive. Keep moving forward. And I'll be back with you another day. Have a good night, guys.